Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to put degree symbol in AutoCAD. So let's start. First we will draw a text here. So you specify the corner here and here you can change the width, height. So let's say I will put here 90, 180, 270, 360. And now you want to put a degree here. For that you have to type here percentage, percentage D, and degree symbol will be come here. Same way here, percentage, percentage D. With the help of percentage D, you can create a degree symbol in AutoCAD. So otherwise, if you want to see measure here, you click on angular, the degree is coming automatically, but not in the case of the text. Let's say you don't want to give any this 45 dimension 4 times, so we can do it one time also. Click on linear here, and here you can do that, edit the text, and you can type here 4 into 45, and now you type percentage D, typical. So this is the other way. So in this way we can create a degree symbol in AutoCAD. If you have any comment related to this degree symbol, please comment on the comment box.